Rĩrĩ ũteti ũthiĩte na mbere gwakĩrĩria gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, ateti matiganĩte nĩ mathiĩte na mbere kwarĩra ndama cia gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka ũkĩte, gũkũ mũmbunge wa Saboti akĩrugũria kĩama kĩerũ kĩrĩa nĩ People's Renaissance Movement.
We the people of Kenya hereby launch the People's Movement to deliver the country from economic liberation, economic renaissance, economic justice, and to form a government of the people, by the people, for the people.
Lakini muhimu sana Caleb Amisi, mimi nimekuja hapa leo kwa sababu wewe una support William Ruto aende nyumbani. Kama ungekuwa una support tutam, hata singeonekana Ngong Road leo.
Justice Maraga Emeritus, even though he's from another political party, can actually be good in matters constitution. Raphael Tuju, Martha Karua, Kagame, and others who are invited here, Eugene Wamalwa, Malala, they have got something they can bring on the table. And I hope the People's Renaissance Party will actually appreciate that issue and bring it on the table.
Augĩte kĩama kĩu nĩ gĩgũteithĩrĩria harĩ kũruta bũrũri mũtondo-inĩ wa ũtongoria mũũru, kũrĩa anyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ atongoria matiganĩte a mũng'ethanĩro mũcemanio-inĩ ũcio.
To build bureaucratic institutions to deal with corruption once and for all. To leverage Kenya's geostrategic position to attract foreign direct investments, to build a modern education system that produces graduates that fit into the emerging global market, to permanently cure political goonism by building talent development academies and multiple job creation schemes, and to build a constitutional culture, the rule of law, and a social justice.
Because of the commercialization of our politics, that's how we end up with the deplorables as our leaders. And I just want to remind you of the writing of a very wise man, philosopher called Plato. Plato, back in the day, his writing said that one of the consequences of refusing to participate in politics is that you'll be governed by your inferiors.
Andũ ethĩ makĩũrio metĩkĩre kũnyita itemi harĩ gũcenjia mwerekera wa bũrũri, ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩhanĩka rĩrĩa metĩkĩra atongoria ega hamwe na gũtonya ciama iria ciĩna kĩoneki gĩa gũteithia bũrũri.
We are now being called upon as a generation to rise up and answer the call of our duty, the fourth liberation, economic liberation. This fourth liberation is our liberation. It is a duty of our generation. The three past generations rose up and did what needed to be done. We are now being called upon as a generation to rise up with enthusiasm, charisma, courage, and patriotism to do what needs to be done today. And what needs to be done today is economic renaissance.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Erastus Ngige.